Alright guys, so we just received the new product. This is a new bed extender. I did have the old amp research one. This is a new product and I just want to show you what it looks like when you get it. So we're going to get that put together, show you what it looks like, and give that a little bit of a review for you. Alright, we've got our bed extender pieces laid out here, and these are all high quality pieces. They look like powder coated aluminum. The instructions are not the greatest. They're okay, but some of these pictures are hard to see. Maybe they'll be dated before this product is released to the public. And all the hardware came in one bag, so a tip is just to take a minute, sort it all out. It'll be a lot easier once you figure out which piece of hardware goes where. And these are going to be our end caps, and these are our middle connectors. There's two long screws, and these long screws are going to go through the middle there, and then we're going to use our second longest screws for here with the nuts. And one other thing, the pieces with the holes go top and bottom, and then the pieces without the holes go in the middle. One more thing to identify is that one end has a hole through both sides, and the other end, this one doesn't have a hole at all. The end that is missing the hole goes in the middle, not the end. So like this one has a hole drilled there, but not all the way through. And that end was drilled all the way through. So I went ahead and installed the mole panels. The instructions say to install the screws loosely on the inside. Gone ahead and done that. What it does not say is that it's side specific. So the diameter of the tubing on the outside is larger than the inside, and you want this to go over the seams. It kind of holds them together. So what you need to note is that where this fabric is, that goes to the larger diameter side, like so. So this being the inside one, it would be going this way, with this one underneath this way. Like that. Because this hole on this side is going to be bigger than the hole on this side, and it won't fit the other way. And another thing to note is to put your strap on the bottom bar, not the middle bar, when the extender is out. So final product here, it fits between the tonneau cover rails and it fits underneath the tonneau cover. It came with an accessory. You can turn it whichever way you want, mount it anywhere you want. We'll fit a small shovel or a flagpole or something like that. I think it looks nice. It looks better than the amp research one, and when it's out, you can clip it down into the tailgate. So I wasn't paid to do this video, but I was sent this product for free to try out. And yeah, other than the instructions, looks like a very solid item.